The Election Commission today requested the Madras High Court to restrain the media from reporting on oral observations days after the court's sharp remarks on murder charges on officials of the election body for not stopping political rallies. It also argued that there was nothing to suggest that campaigning was a significant factor in driving any COVID spike in states that were voted versus those that did not. No state should clamp down information if citizens communicate their grievances on social media, the Supreme Court said today amid an unprecedented surge in COVID cases across the country. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said today during a hearing, "It is grave concern to me as a citizen or judge if citizens communicate their grievances on social media. We do not want clampdown on information. Let us hear the voices of citizens. We will treat this contempt if any citizen is harassed, if they want bed or oxygen. We are in human crisis." A day before vaccinations opened to all above 18, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urged citizens not to queue up for COVID shots as the city has not received vaccine supplies yet. "As soon as vaccines arrive, we will let you know, then you can come for shots," Arvind Kejriwal said today. Tomorrow, vaccinations are to be widened to those between 18 and 44, but several states have said they cannot start the drive as they have no vaccine stock. Tamil director cinematographer K.V. Anand died on Friday in Chennai due to COVID-19 related complications. He was 54 years old. His last rites took place at Besant Nagar Crematorium in Chennai. Anand started his career as a freelance photojournalist before he started assisting award-winning cinematographer P.C. Sriram. Celebrities mourned the loss of the legendary director-cinematographer, calling his death a shock. Nearly 40 people were killed and over 100 injured in a stampede that broke out overnight at a Jewish religious gathering attended by tens of thousands of people in northern Israel, according to media reports on Friday. The mass gathering was organized to celebrate the Lag Bomer, an annual religious holiday marked with all-night bonfires, prayer and dancing at Mount Meron.